Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about com.sec.android.app.popupcalculator. This is a package name made up of the term com, seek, android, app, popup, calculator. So, from its name, it is clear that this package is used to calculate the number of apps that get popped. During our research, we found that this package is also used in the Samsung Calculator APK. To make it understandable in a single line, or the best answer to anyone who asks is that it is an APK for Samsung Calculator. This means that when we download the calculator, this APK runs at the back end. These 5 words make everything clear as it is an APK. So, it is available only for Android operating system. And since it is Android, it is free to use. It is a product developed by Samsung. So, is this a virus? Answer is a big no. This is the package name for the Samsung calculator. Its each and every version is absolutely free from viruses. Also, it is free of cost to download. So, how to fix when com.sec.android.app.popupcalculator is not working or not opening? Whenever any app, website, system, APK doesn't work properly, the first thing to be done is empty the memory space. So, click on Settings and then Apps. From Apps, select Calculator. In Calculator, click on Storage. Then clear the cache by pressing Clear Cache. After clearing cache memory, clear the data. A pop-up will be shown on the screen. Click OK. Data will be clear. So let's see how to remove com.sec.android.app.popupcalculator. It is very easy to remove this APK from your device. To get any APK on your device, you first search it on any app store like Google Play Store and then download it. After it gets completely downloaded, it has to be installed. So installation is a bit of a lengthy process, but removal can be done in just one step, that is by pressing uninstall. But make sure before uninstalling any application or APK that you really want to remove it from your device or not, because getting it again will be a tedious job. If you want to know more details about Samsung Calculator APK, check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.